Now, India is in the midst of a retail investor boom, with millions of first-time investors now trading equities. And analysts say that the shift is reshaping local markets, helping to bring in liquidity and boosting demand for new listings.
But with the number of Indians buying stocks only expected to grow, experts also warn of challenges: low financial literacy rates and the risks inexperienced investors face. Rebecca Bundhun reports for CNA from Mumbai.
Ashita Rawat began trading stocks 3 months ago. She wanted to tap into India's markets, which have surged over the past decade. The Mumbai-based publicist was also influenced by family and friends.
I've been seeing people been talking about stocks, markets, and buying this IPO, that IPO, buying this shares and all. So I was like, okay, I also want to be a part of that discussions.
She signed up with a brokerage app to start trading. As a beginner, Ashita took a cautious approach, investing about 20,000 rupees or $220 in Indian equities. But now she plans to invest that amount each month. She says she's learning from her mistakes when it comes to picking companies.
I checked the chart and everything. Oh, this is going rise. So I'm just buying that thing, and but it was a bad decision. So that has been made me learn that I should do a proper research.
Stock trading among ordinary Indians is picking up across the country. The markets regulator says unique investors have risen to about 136 million as of late last year, up from 40 million 7 years ago. This is Asia's oldest stock exchange, the Bombay Stock Exchange, set up in 1875. Historically, it was the physical centre of trading, but increasingly, much of the activity that is helping to reshape the market is happening outside these walls, in middle-class homes and on smartphones. Access to trading has become much easier, driven by the rise in mobile internet access.
Everyone who has a smartphone can now invest because there are so many options available in terms of the trading platforms, the kind of services they require from the trading platforms. There are, minimal commission fee that is being charged right now.
Very close. Shrishti Gosavi is a personal finance content creator, and she runs a community to empower women with financial literacy. She says that with less than 10% of India's households investing in stocks, the scope for further growth is enormous. But there are risks in a country where financial literacy rates are low. Investing in equities can mean losing hard-earned money, even for the most experienced investors.
If you are just investing with a FOMO factor that everybody's investing, I also want to invest, then that is not the correct way. And a lot of people are doing that.
Analysts say the retail investment boom has led to inflated demand for some IPOs, and it has also driven some potentially risky speculative activity. One stock, RRP Semiconductor, which has been a social media obsession, came under regulatory surveillance last year after witnessing an astronomical surge, rising 55,000% in 20 months, despite negative financials.
People are actually not going through the fundamentals, and they are blindly following few of the people and investing in the stocks or equity. But from intermediaries' point of view or regulators, they have been doing a very good job in terms of educating them that it is always fundamentals which you need to focus, and we are seeing the results.
For new investors like Ashita, it's a steep learning curve. But experts believe India's market is undergoing a structural change that's only set to continue as more people start to trade equities. For CNA, I'm Rebecca Bundhun in Mumbai.